Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Luhair again. Last week I tried out from Luhair, was so gorgeous, and a very top trendy one, the short curly vibe. Yeah, if you guys don't remember that one, I'll link it down below so you can check it out. But yeah, today I'm here with Luhair again, and you know, really nice packaging as usual. Headband wig alert. So I'm giving you guys all the options when it comes down to these headband wigs, honestly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 headbands, a wig cap, we have a thank you card, so nice, from Luhair, and it's telling you about hair care, and it's just giving you hair care recommendations around here. And then we got the hair inside this little nice drawstring bag. This is a 3-part average size headband wig. This is 80 inches long and it's a natural color, which is 1B, and it's Yaki straight. Guys, this is the wig. As you can see, definitely Yaki straight texture. You can see how that coarseness in it, which is really nice. Always have a healthy look. So this is just the cap construction. So it's a standard cap construction. It has 4 combs in total on the inside, 1 in the back, 3 in the front, and we have the classic headband portion. You know, you can always go up to make it tighter, which I'll do because that makes it more secure and snugged on your head, as well as using the combs on the inside. So let's go ahead and slip this on.
I look at people and I wonder all day.
So this is how it looks on. It's very full, and it feels really good. So this is it straight out of the package, right? Straight out of the package. And I'm just gonna go ahead and run my flat iron through it so it can be, you know, straight up.
Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal. Once in a while, feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Definitely say I love about this here is how easy it was to flat iron. I don't know if you guys saw, like one pass alone did it, and it moves like butter. The quality of this is A1. I love it. Not all the time you get a wig where, like, as you can see, minimal flyaways. And let me go ahead and try on these headbands that came for it.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit bright ways. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single deed. If you got what I need, then
it was like butter, okay? And that's what you need with your straight wigs. So I love that. I'm going to be sure to put all the information on this wig down below in my description box. So if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and get it for yourself. You know, all the specifications to this wig, the density, everything like that. As I said before, it's 18 inches long. Luhair, this hair feels luxurious. It feels really good. It's gorgeous. I love it. If you're into more like of the straight textures, I would definitely recommend this wig. Would definitely recommend it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video today. I hope it was, you know, to the point enough. It was informative, you know, all that stuff. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts down below. Also stay tuned for my next video. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. You know, if you're not yet, if you haven't checked out my vlog channel, go ahead and do so. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can check that out. I do upload a vlog over there at least once a week, so you want to check that out. A lot of vibes. Yeah, I'm done with the rambling now. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.
look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way.